Welcome to Let's Play Solitaire. Thanks for joining us. Today we will be playing a random game. It will not be edited. I will try my best to explain what I'm thinking and try to show you stuff that's there. As always, if you want more tips and stuff, I've got other videos on YouTube listed right here. Let's go ahead and get started here. First things first, I like to go for columns. That's these cards right here. Then I like to focus on the draw pile. That's this pile right here. I like to save early cards in the insurance because you get 3 and you can only look at 1 at a time out of 3 cards. So you can, more cards you play out of there early, the more you can change how it's set up. So let's see here. We have a 2. We can move that, I think. I may consider taking this 2 back, but we'll see what we can play here. So can't play that 2 of diamonds. Play the ace of spades. Gonna save it as insurance. Yeah, we'll see. Oh, yeah, we may be playing that soon. We'll see if there's anything else here. We'll play the ace of hearts. Again, the goal basically is to try to get as many cards out of here as possible. And the way to do that is by getting more looks. I think the queen can be played as well, but that's in the back of the draw pile, so we're not going to worry about that too much. We are going to focus on getting this ace of spades out. Ace of diamonds should drop next time around. So we're going through again. We can play this 4. We'll play it. And that allows us to play this 3 of diamonds. We're going to try to open up one of these columns too, if we can. That way we can move this king or another king down there as well. Yeah, we'll see how we get here. So this 2 of diamonds is going to be our new insurance card. And you don't see the move yet, but if you'll notice, the ace of diamonds is right here. We're going to move that, and that will make the 2 of diamonds our insurance card. Good news is this 2 of hearts can go up to the foundation pile, so we're going to do that. We're going to see what's under this king. If this king results in another open column anywhere, we'll stay with the move. If it does not, we're going to undo it and leave it there and see if we can find another move somewhere else. So king over there, and that's a dead end. We can move this 2 of spades up, I believe, though. And I think we may be closer to finding one. I generally don't like to pull the low cards, but I think this time it's going to be okay. I think. I may regret that. So 3. Actually, let's not pull the 3 of clubs. Let's pull the 3 of spades down, because that can go up top. And we'll wait on the other card. Just because we don't want to slow this game down here, or tie ourselves up here. So going through again, there's 2 diamonds. We're saving this as insurance. If there's no other moves, we'll use it. I can't move the queen. I think this was the king was a dead end. Right? That was an 8, right? Okay, so red 8. So nothing there. There's a red queen we can bring down. And I think that'll allow us to move one of the red jack. Should we find one here? We do have a red jack. We have one. Oh no, we have not red jack, guys. I meant black jack. Sorry. Generally, if you have a black jack of clubs in the front of the draw pile and one in the back, you want to move the one in the front. Generally, so that's what we're going to try to focus on here. And to do that, we're going to play this 2 of diamonds, and then we'll play the 3 of diamonds and 4 diamonds. Now we can move this king over. And we'll see what we can do here. What we should be doing is that 1 jack should drop. That'll be our next move. And I think there's no kings in here. Let me see. Yeah, there's no kings. There are no kings in this draw pile. So if we want this game to continue, we got to figure out a way to open up one of these columns and find out where the other king is. So let's just look through here, and I'm going to go through again. Sorry about that, going a little too fast here. It looks like our first move is going to be the jack of clubs. And we're going to try to get to this 10 if we can. We could alternatively play this 10. Let me look at that sequence again here. We want to move this 9. We want to move this 9 because then we can move this 8. don't know. Let me see how this goes. Yeah, we have that move. We have the move. Okay. I'm going to go back. If you see there's two 10s here, you want to play the 10 earlier in the draw pile, like I said, if you can. And we have that move because we can move this 3 over here. And what that's going to do is that's going to drop this 10. And that means we're not going to be able to move the 7 and the 6. Because we want to drop this 10. So going back again here. There is the 10. Now we've dropped it. Now we can move. Well, we have to move a 9 as well. But we can drop the 7 at 6, I think, now, because it won't impact a ton. So we're going to drop the 7. We'll drop the 6 there. No, I take it back. We want to move this 9. Moving 2 cards in front of that won't work. Or moving 3 cards will not change it. So we're going to go back again. We're only going to move this 10. And the reason why is because we want this 9 down here so we can move this 8 underneath it. So that's going to be the play here, and we'll see what it results in. There's the 9. There's the 8. Here's a king. That's good. I think because we can move a queen, and then we can move this jack over here. 4 of spades is good. We can put it up. I think we can move the 7 and the 6 anyway, right? Yeah. And then the question is, can we... Oh, we can move this 5 of spades as well. I think the best move is going to be right here, not up top, because we can move this 4 of hearts right here. Now, oh, this is good. This is good. We can move this jack right here. We can move this 10 over. That opens up a column. Now we're starting to get some moves. We can move this 9. We can move this 8, and we get to this queen. This is the card we wanted to get to. Yeah, I do see. I'm seeing another move that I made that I may want to take back, but I'm not sure yet. I don't think I'm going to take it back. We're just going to stay with this. It was involving this 4 of spades, but I was looking at a card too high. So what we're going to do is move this jack over here. Now we can move this 7. And then the real debate is whether we want to move this 8 of spades or move this 8 of clubs. I think we're going to have to go with the 8 of clubs. But before we do that, we're going to move this 5 of hearts over. We're just trying to maximize the number of moves we make, trying to maximize the number of looks we get. Because the more number of looks we get at this, the better our chances are of finding a way that will solve it. So 7 of diamonds goes right here. 6 of clubs goes here. And, oh, this is not the worst, but not the best. We can move this king over to the open column. There's the other king. To do that, we're going to have to open up one of these columns here. The sequence that I was concerned about was earlier on, we played the 5 of spades down. Maybe, you know, if we played the 5 of clubs, we could have put the 5 of spades up top here, where this 5 of spades goes up. There may be another way to get to that, but we'll see what we got here. Again, I'm hesitant on this 8, but I think we'll play it. Yeah, we'll just play it anyway. So, oh, that's good. That's perfect for us. Now we can put the 5 of clubs up. I don't know if you see the move. If you want to hit pause, look at the screen. There's a way to get this 5 of clubs up top. Okay, you've had a minute to look at it. 2 of clubs would go up. 3 of clubs up. 4 of clubs up. 5 of clubs up. That's the move. Now we can move this queen. And then, yeah, so we just got to figure out the rest of this here. 10 of hearts will play. That'll allow us to open up this column right here. 5 of diamonds is a great card. We can put it up top. 3 of hearts is good. We can move 4 hearts. We're going to move the low cards up right now and then try to get this column open with either the jack or by moving a bunch of cards up. So 5 of spades up, 6 of spades up. Now we're going to move clubs up. So 6 of clubs, 7 of clubs. We can move diamonds, 6 of diamonds, 7 of diamonds. We can move the 6 of hearts up. We can move, I believe we can move the 8 of diamonds up. We may have to take 1 or 2 of these down. Oh, here it is. 7 of spades up. That means 8 of spades up. Now we can move this jack down, and we've solved it. We've solved it. We just got to move this 10 over here, and then move this 9 of diamonds up, and that's the game. And, yeah, that's going to wrap this up. I'm signing out. I would like to thank you for watching and wish you good luck.